Hello guys, so you want to skip Vegas parking fees and earn rewards without gambling? The MGM Rewards MasterCard might be your new secret weapon. Let's dive into how this card can save you big and what you need to know before applying. The MGM Rewards MasterCard is effectively a Las Vegas bypass tool, designed to give travelers elite status and free parking without the need to gamble or stay at hotels for weeks on end. For many people, the primary reason to own this card is the parking hack. As long as the card account is open, the cardholder is automatically granted Pearl status, which is the first tier above the basic Sapphire level in the MGM Rewards hierarchy. This status provides free self-parking at nearly all MGM resorts in Las Vegas, including major properties like Bellagio, Aria, and MGM Grand. With daily parking rates often ranging from $18 to $25, a single 3-day trip can save a traveler enough to cover the card's non-existent cost many times over. This is a great deal for travelers who frequent Vegas but want to avoid paying hefty parking fees, especially since parking in the city can add up quickly. Another significant benefit is that points earned through the program never expire as long as the card is held, whereas they would normally expire after 6 months of inactivity. This makes the MGM Rewards MasterCard an attractive option for people who don't want the pressure of losing accumulated points due to inactivity. Beyond the parking benefits, the no annual fee card offers instant perks, such as a priority check-in line at select properties, a 10% bonus on slot dollars, and access to a dedicated buffet line. These perks make the overall travel experience more convenient and enjoyable. It also provides a valuable status match to Marriott Bonvoy Silver Elite, which gives travelers a 10% bonus on points and late checkout at Marriott hotels globally. Furthermore, the card features no foreign transaction fees, which is quite rare for a co-branded card with no annual fee. If you travel internationally, this is a fantastic feature, as it helps you avoid those pesky foreign transaction fees that can add up over time. However, there are notable downsides. Redemption is strictly limited to MGM MasterCard points, which can only be used for MGM hotel stays, dining, or slot play, making them worthless if you do not frequent their properties. This means if you don't visit MGM properties often, your points might go unused. Additionally, the earning rates outside of Vegas are relatively low, with only 2 times on gas and groceries. While the card provides some nice benefits for casual visitors to Vegas, the rewards may not be as appealing for those looking for broader earning opportunities. Pearl status is considered status light because it does not waive resort fees. To have those $40 to $55 per night fees waived, a member must reach gold status through significantly higher spending. This is important to consider if you plan on staying at MGM properties for extended periods, as resort fees can add up quickly. For those who visit Las Vegas more frequently, the premium MGM Rewards Iconic World Elite MasterCard was launched in April 2025 with a $249 annual fee. This version is a heavy hitter that offers a 6 times earn rate at MGM properties, which is double that of the free version, along with 2 times on broader categories like dining and other hotels. It includes a $200 annual resort credit that can be applied to dining or rooms, effectively bringing the net cost of the card down to $49 if the credit is fully utilized. This is a huge benefit if you're someone who frequently visits MGM properties, as it significantly lowers the effective annual cost of the card. Other premium features include a global entry or TSA pre-check credit of up to $120 every 4 years, a fast track to gold status via a 10,000 tier credit bonus, and a free night worth up to $250 if $25,000 is spent on the card annually. The ongoing variable APR for these cards is 25.24%, which is a critical figure to keep in mind if you tend to carry a balance.
When deciding which card is right for you, the no-fee MasterCard is a clear choice if you visit Vegas once or twice a year and want to save on parking or keep your points from expiring. The Iconic card is best for Vegas super users who spend several $1,000s annually at MGM properties and want to maximize their tier credits. If you visit Vegas less than once a year, or prefer other hotel brands like Wynn or Caesars, you should likely skip both options in favor of a card with more flexible travel points. For Shopify store owners and entrepreneurs, the decision may depend on your travel habits and the types of rewards you value most. In summary, the MGM Rewards MasterCard lineup offers distinct paths for different types of travelers. The no-fee version is an excellent, low-risk utility card for the casual visitor who wants easy perks and free parking.
The Iconic card targets the high-spending regular who can justify the $249 fee through the resort credit and accelerated point earning. However, there are real risks to consider before applying. Both cards have a high variable APR of 25.24%, meaning carrying a balance can quickly wipe out any rewards or savings you gain. Furthermore, the rewards are highly illiquid and tied exclusively to the MGM ecosystem. If you do not plan your trips carefully, or if your travel preferences change, the points and the annual fee for the Iconic version could represent a total loss of value. Reaching the higher status levels required for waived resort fees still involves heavy spending that might not be practical for most people. Therefore, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each card based on your personal travel patterns and financial goals.